On our way to Timmy's to get coffee. A little taste of Jess. Man, we haven't even got there yet.
No. Can't move out of the fucking way now. Just a typical day.
Oh, they get funnier though. Well, I think everybody needs to see how funny you are.
Not kidding, eh?
Yeah. Let's make some let's make some other people's day. Just a Friday, yep. Nice relaxing Friday today.
Yep.
Oh, now she's gonna attempt to order.
Yes. Sorry about that. Can I get an extra large double?
Okay.
An extra large French vanilla? And an extra large 2 creams, please. Sorry about that.
That's all right. Anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, anyway.
Can you just imagine what others thinking about in the other vehicles with their windows down?
Hopefully they're having a good laugh.
Nobody's bugging us today anyway. So far.
This isn't even half of them. Usually it's more extreme. Oh well, we'll catch.
Well, they
them.
haven't really stopped since.
No, true. That's true. Since Pino's.
No, since we left your house.
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, true that.
But that's not gonna work because it's trying to get out too at the same time.
No, it never works. It doesn't work for you to stop them. They seem to stop when they want.
Oh yeah, they got a money of their own.
Anybody who doesn't find this hilarious though has issues. They have no sense of humor if they don't find this funny.
Hey, I even laugh it off.
Right?
What else can I do? That's probably the guy that took my order.
Oh,
Oh, we're finally
oh
moving.
yeah.
Oh.
See, oh. Some kind of relief, eh? We're moving.
Well, there is another guy at the window. Whoops.
This is what it's like going through through the drive-through every day.
Or each time.
Or worse.
Almost.
Yeah, yeah.
Doesn't matter who I'm with.
No.
I hope he washed his hands. Oh no, that's like a... Never mind, don't worry.
Buddy looks at
She
you.
probably
Eh?
hears me over
Right?
there. Thank you.
Yeah, Luce is staring at you with a big smile. This is that is Lucy over there. She's a junkie, but she's awesome.
Thank you. You too, have a good day.
Well, that was drive-through with Jess.
See you later, Gator.